So hi guys, welcome to today's podcast. आज हमारे साथ हैं एक clinical nutritionist and a certified keto diet expert तन्वी चौहान. Hello.
Hi.
So आज का टॉपिक है कीटो डाइट, एक हेल्थ ट्रेंड या फिर एक हिडन ट्रबल. सो अगर आपने कभी गूगल किया होगा कीटो डाइट फॉर बिगिनर्स, तो you would have been fascinated by those Instagram before and after photographs. So let's get through this and slice the butter coffee and cheese omelets and uncover what the reality is. So let's start with the basic question first. So what is keto diet?
So, scientifically speaking, what is ketogenic diet? Ketogenic diet is high in fat, moderate amount of protein, zero or very low in carbs. This plan pushes your body into ketosis. So, here what happened? Your liver converts fat into ketones for the fuel of energy. Okay, and that's how instead of glucose, that's how ketones bodies are formed in your body. A typical macronutrient distribution for ketogenic diet is fat 70 to 75%, proteins 20 to 25, and carbohydrate 5 to 10%.
So I wanted to ask, okay, what are the benefits of keto? Like, does it have science behind it, or it's just myth जैसे हम Indians बना देते हैं?
Ketogenic diet have a science behind it if done under medical supervision. It helps you in rapid weight loss, managing your type 2 diabetes, and suppresses your appetite and improve your HDL cholesterol.
So now the question is, which scares people off? Like, what happens if keto is done wrong?
So there are many instances which has happened where the keto has gone wrong. People are blankly following the influencer on Instagram, Facebook, wherever they get the information. So the one instance I would like to tell you is that a woman in Pune, 34-year-old, she practices keto diet for 7 months. Okay, she included cheese, paneer, and stuff which are high in fat, and non-veg food stuff like bacon and other which she had it for 7 months, and she landed into non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Okay, and she excluded the vegetables, she excluded the other carbs and everything. So here, without any lab test, she landed here. So this was the first instance, and the second instance is that a boy 18-year-old landed to emergency room of the hospital. He blindly follows the keto diet and your protein milkshake, everything what he had taken, and that has caused him dehydration, high uric acid levels, and that leads the strain on the kidney. So so this all ketogenic diet can go wrong in many instances if not followed with the medical supervision.
So just like you said about Instagram and influencers, so what is that like? Like when people are doing googling for keto.
Okay. So 73% of Indian population go on online trends. Either they Google it, or they follow some influencer or some health gurus, and they blindly follow them. So without been noticing what are their blood sugar levels or lipid profile, or they having any underlying disease, or are they borderline hypothyroid. So this is a ketogenic diet is not a like you can say a one size fit to all diet. So it's always a tailor made diet, and you need to go under a medical supervision for following this ketogenic diet.
So basically, Google is not something which you should look for keto, right?
Yes, you need a proper guidance from the ketogenic diet expert.
So now we've since talked so much about keto. So I wanted to ask, कि like it's safe for how long? Like कितने time तक हम लोग कर सकते हैं?
Okay. Keto is safe for 2 to 3 months, and for certain medical protocols, because ketogenic diet is especially for epileptic condition and insulin resistance, so it can go up to 6 to 12. But for that, you need to have under it has to be followed under medical supervision. So, what are the risk factors if you prolong or continue the keto diet for longer time? So, it can cause you certain nutrient deficiency, high uric acid level, high your lipid profile would be at a higher side. Then hormonal imbalances would be there, chronic constipation, elevated cholesterol levels, loss of bone marrow density, and yes, mental fatigue or mood swings.
So I myself fall among the 73% of the Indians. So I have
Okay.
googled about the keto. So I
Okay.
just read somewhere that it's helping in anti-aging. So is it just true or it's just a hype?
In some instance, it is true. Like ketones, like especially the beta hydroxybutyrate, helps in reducing your oxidative stress and inflammation. So, which is the key factor for your aging. And also, there are limited studies been conducted in human population. So, even keto diet can even backfire if not nutritionally balanced. Yes, ketogenic diet plays a role in anti-aging, but not through the butter, ghee, bacon. It has you need to offer olive oil, nuts, seeds, yeah, avocado, your green leafy vegetables, and also your lab work. You need to investigate about your blood glucose level or fat, your lipid profile, and etc.
So, like you mentioned about the lab test and lab work. So, what tests do we take before opting for keto diet?
So, before starting with ketogenic diet, there are basic investigation to be done. So, you need to check your blood glucose level, then your liver function test, renal, that is your kidney profile, your lipid profile, and thyroid. Okay, these are the basic investigation. And after you begin with the keto diet, their diet has to be a proper. There should be a proper distribution of macronutrient. Then include healthy fats in your diet like avocado, your nuts, your oil seeds, your olive oil, etc. And then it has to be a proper hydration, because many a time this ketogenic diet leads to dehydration and then straining to your kidneys. And the other one would be like it has to be a transition. Like when you follow a keto diet, after 2 or 3 months it has to go into a transition phase. Like you have heard about modified Atkin diets, a MAD diet. So that's a like a modified version of keto diet. So that transition should be there.
So that was really great knowing about what keto diet really is, rather than just googling it. So, any last thoughts before we sign off?
I like to tell the audiences here is like ketogenic diet is not a fad. It is actually a therapeutic tool for like for epileptic, or you want to follow you want to go for a weight loss, or you have an insulin resistance. So for them it is really a therapeutic diet. But if followed in a wrong way, or by not following the protocols, or not doing an investigation properly and landing into a ketogenic diet, it can lead to medical consequences. Like it can have a bad impact on your health too. Same like a medicine, if not taken in a proper dosage or a proper manner, it could be a poisonous. So same way, ketogenic diet, if not followed properly under medical supervision, can lead a bad impact on your health.
If you found it helpful, please like, comment, and share to people who are planning to go on keto. Until next time, till that time, stay kind, eat healthy, and don't let trends take you.